Hello everyone, welcome back. New brand video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix WhatsApp status option not showing and how to recover WhatsApp status option. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your WhatsApp and from here you as can see four option: chats, updates, communities, and call. But WhatsApp status option is not showing. What you need to do is click on WhatsApp updates and from here you as can see WhatsApp status, your friends WhatsApp status. If you want to need WhatsApp status option, go back your home screen and what you need to do it long press on your WhatsApp and click on uninstall, and after a few minutes go back and open any one browser like Google and Chrome, and from here what you need to do it search for this WhatsApp app and click on this, and from here what you need to do it install old version, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If this is helpful then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem share with me in the comments box. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.